Hi guys, over here I have a TCL AC remote, and in this video I'll be guiding you on how to reset your TCL AC remote and fix any problem like the remote control not working or your TCL AC remote control not responding with the AC, or some buttons are not just working. And trust me, this is going to work out for both your TCL inverter AC and the TCL non-inverter AC as well. Now first things first, you want to proceed to turn off your TCL AC. If your remote control is partially working, you can simply just use the power button, or alternatively you can unplug it from the wall socket, or if there is a switch to your TCL AC, you can just press on the switch on the wall to turn off the AC. Once your TCL AC is properly turned off, you want to turn over to the back of your remote control, and then you just want to proceed to pull out the battery pack by just using your finger, place it over here and then move it backward to open up the battery pack. And then you want to also proceed to remove your batteries from your TCL AC remote control as well. Now the next thing you want to do is to proceed to long press on the power button for about 5 to 10 seconds. And what this will do is that it will drain the TCL AC remote control of any power surge that is probably causing the remote to not work properly. And after that, you want to release the power button and then proceed to put back your batteries into the TCL AC remote control again. At this point, if your remote control batteries are bad, make sure you actually check and then change them if possible. And then when placing the battery this time, also make sure you place the battery correctly as well. So make sure that the flat surface of the batteries actually face the part of the battery inputs that has a spring. So this flat surface should face this part, while the place with something like a pin should actually face the other side of the battery input. Now you want to do the same thing for the other battery as well. So the flat surface of your battery should face the negative part, just like so. And then once you're done, you want to go ahead and cover up your battery pack and then proceed to try turning on your TCL AC again using the power button. If you have switched it off from the wall socket, also make sure you turn it on or plug it back to the wall socket and then try turning on your TCL AC one more time using the remote control. But if this does not also work out for you, then the problem might just be from your TCL AC. So you want to make sure you contact the nearest TCL distributor or manufacturing store closest to you, and then they will also give you a remote control that will most likely work out for your TCL AC. Please let me know if this tutorial was helpful in the comment section, guys.